What is the pronoun? Pronouns are words that represent nouns, people, places, or things. Grammatically, pronouns are used in the same ways as nouns. Common pronouns include I, you, she, him, it, everyone, and somebody. The noun being replaced is known as the antecedent of the pronoun. We commonly use pronouns in speech and writing to avoid sounding unnatural and repetitive by reusing the same noun in a sentence multiple times. For example, John said that John wants to operate the computer that belongs to John. The sentence is awkward because John is repeated so many times. Instead, we can use personal pronouns to stand in for the name of the antecedent to make the sentence sound more natural, as in, John said that he wants to operate the computer that belongs to him. In addition to making the sentence sound better, the pronouns provide specific information, telling us that John is in the third person. As we can see in the example above, the pronouns are all serving the same function as nouns. Pronouns can function as subjects or objects.